Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And today I will discuss about the Harvard Business School case study entitled Apple Stores by Luke Whithill. So in this case, explain how Apple transformed retail store from ordinary place that sell products into space that create meaningful customer experience. So my presentation consists of three parts. Uh, for the first part is case summary. So when people think about Apple, they usually think about products such as iPhone, MacBook, iPod, or however. So Apple's success is not only based on its product, but it's also based on on the based on how the company connects with customer. Yeah, so the Apple Store project was led by Ron Johnson, who joined Apple in the 2000s as senior vice president of retail, and his goal is to create stores that uh, would help customer understand Apple vision and attract new user. And for the first Apple stores opened in 2001 and quickly stood out from traditional computer retails. So before Apple Store exists, most computer companies compete through price and technical specification, and customer often choose computer based on memory, speed, or cost. And companies such as Dell and HP focus mainly on efficiency and maybe hardware features. Yeah, so Apple want to change this way of thinking. After Steve Jobs returned on 1997, he introduced the digital hub strategy. He believed computers should become the center of people digital life. So, as a digital camera, music player, and file device become popular, Apple creates products that work together as one ecosystem. Instead of selling hardware, Apple was selling a lifestyle and experience. So the company want customer to focus on what they could create and enjoy using technology rather than simply comparing specification. So this idea become the foundation of Apple stores. And then why Apple create these own stores? So Apple realized that traditional electronics stores could not properly communicate its vision. So in most retail stores, Apple products were displayed beside competing brands. Customer often compare products only by price or technological features, and as a result, Apple unique value was on difficult to explain. To solve this problem, Apple opened its own stores, and the purpose was not only to sell products but also to educate customer and allow them to uh, experience the Apple ecosystem directly. So customer could touch, test, and explore um, explore products instead of seeing them locked inside box. So this approach become as shop different. And next is experiential retail and the Genius Bar. It's like one of the most important innovation uh, of Apple stores was focused on experience. So the store were bright, open, and welcoming. Then the customer could freely use computer, browse the internet, and trying different application instead of organizing products that yeah, or instead of organizing product by technical categories. Yeah, Apple organized areas around activities such as music, photography, and creativity. And another major innovation was Genius Bar. So the Genius Bar provide technical support and advice for customer. People could bring their device, ask question, and receive help from trained expert called geniuses. So unlike traditional sales countries, the Genius Bar focus on solving problems rather than making sales. Yeah, so this build trust and strengthen customer loyalty. And Apple stores also include a theater where presentation, demonstration, and community events were held. So customer could learn new skills, uh, discover creative possibilities, and hear from professionals who use Apple products in their work. So this event helped create a sense of community around Apple brand. Another reason for Apple success was in its employees. Yeah, Apple required people, people who generally believe in the company and its products. Then employees follow a mission uh, called the the credo, which emphasize and enriching people's life through innovative and easy to use technology. And rather than pushing sales, employees focus on understanding customer needs and providing helpful solution. So the strong culture in very low employee turnover and high customer satisfaction. And for the early the strategy produced impressive result. Yeah, like by in December 2001, Apple Store has attract around uh, maybe 100,000 visitors and generate approximately $48 million in quarterly sales. Yeah, so many visitors were completely new to Apple, showing that the store successfully expanded the company customer base. And more importantly, Apple Store changed how customers view the brand. So next is application to our ICP school. Yeah. So although Apple stores are a part of a business, several ideas can be applied to our ICP school environment. Yeah. Like for the first, a school could create an academic support center similar to the Genius Bar. Teacher or high performing student could help classmates who are struggling with subjects such as mathematics, physics, chemistry, or maybe English. And the goal will be to provide uh, guidance and support rather than simply elevate performance. And this could create a more collaborative learning environment. And in addition, a student may feel more comfortable asking questions in a sportive setting rather than during formal classroom lesson. So this can change and no, this can encourage learning activities and maybe improve academic confidence, and then applying the teacher concept. So Theater encourage learning and participation. Similarly, schools can organize student presentation, exhibition, debates, and seminar. These activities allow students to share knowledge, improve communication skills, and learn from one another. And school also invite alumni, university students, or professionals to share their experience. This will expose students to different career paths and inspire them to think about their future goals. And then for applying the corridor, Apple employees are united by a clear mission. Schools can also benefit from a strong shared purpose. Students should understand that education is not only about grades, but also personal growth, leadership, creativity, and contribution to society. A clear purpose can increase motivation and engagement. When students understand why they are learning, they are more likely to stay commit and take responsibility for their own development. And for applying personal learning, so Apple recognized that every customer had different needs. Likewise, every student learns differently. Teachers who understand students' strengths and weakness can provide a more effective support and create better learning experience. And for example, some students learn best through visual material, while other prefer discussion or hands-on activities. Yeah, maybe like this. And by adapting teaching methods, schools can help more students reach their full potential. And then for creating a better school environment. Yeah. And another reason for Apple stores is the importance of creating a welcoming environment. Apple carefully designed stores to make customers feel comfortable and interested in exploring. School can apply the same principle by creating classroom and learning space that encourage curiosity, creativity, and collaboration. A positive environment can improve the student engagement and make learning more enjoyable. Then for the last is personal takeaway and conclusion. So first, successful organization create experience, not just products or service. Apple stores become successful because they focus on improving customers' lives rather than simply increasing skills. And then for a second, a strong culture of Apple is essential. Yeah? Apple employees were motivated because they believe in the company mission and the company values. And the third, education is often more effective than persuasion. Apple educate customer and allow them to experience the product themselves, which build trust and loyalty. Yeah, innovation can happen in many areas, including customer service, employee management, and community building. My personal takeaway is that organization become successful when they focus on people's need and create meaningful experience. This case also remind me that success is not only about having a great a great idea. No, I think, but also how that 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 idea or yeah that idea is delivered to others. Apple stores transform retail shopping into an maybe opportunity for learning, discovery, and connection. They support they support no they show that business can build a long-term relationship by providing values, support, and memorable experience. Yeah, overall, the most valuable lesson from this case is putting people first can create lasting success, whether in business or education. Organization that inspire, educate, and support others, and more likely achieve meaningful result.